And hello, today we're going to be working on a Samsung TV. The model number of it is Pn42c430a1d. Now you might notice I have two hands of this camera. This is a sunglass camera, and I am trying to better my videos by having two hands available. So if the video is a little bit awkward, I apologize for that. I know this TV got hit by lightning. They told me it got hit by lightning. I'm not sure what the video is at. It might be a little bit shaky right now. What you need to get is the voltmeter, and we're going to have it on the continuity checker. You may or may not be able to hear that. I'm hoping I'm getting everything in the video. But you got two fuses here. You got one fuse there. You got one fuse here. And you want to check this fuse. And when it beeps, it's good. And that beeps, it's good. If your TV has a power light on, which this doesn't, you want to check your voltages here. There's a 5 volt, there's a 15 volt, and the power on, I think it should be about 5 volts. If you got those, then that's good. Sometimes these capacitors here could be bad. Look at my video description and you can see how to identify bad capacitors. If you don't have a bad capacitor, you might want to move on to this board here. It is called the main board. Here's 3 voltage regulators. There's one here, here, and here. And if you go to the tab of the board, the tab of the transistor or the voltage regulator to each leg, it should not beep. And I will bring this into view. Hopefully we'll both be able to see it. And this one here is the tab of the voltage regulator. And you see it's got a direct short. So that regulator itself is bad. Now here's another one, a new board. And I'm going to do the same demonstration here to make sure that it's not as well shorted, and it's not. So that means that's good. So I know this board is bad. I've already started taking it apart. This you just take and squeeze the connector and you pull it out. Same way with these here. This has a little flapper, and you take and you flip up, and the ribbon cable just pulls out. Be gentle with it. And you only have 4 screws here to take off. After I replace this board, it says here software upgrade. Optimizing system. This may take more than 2 minutes. Do not turn off the set before optimization is completed. When it's completed, the TV will automatically turn off and back on. So it automatically turned on, and I'm going to wait for it to shut off, and it turned back on, and the TV will be working. So hopefully when you get your set, you're going to be having the same deal that I do. I hope this helped you with your video or your TV. Thanks for watching After Hours TV and PC Repair. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. Subscribe, please. That helps me out tremendously. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.